White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, subscribers. Chris here from White Bulls Barbecue, and today we're doing a Spatchcock Chicken. Now this particular video, I'm not going to spatchcock it. I bought it pre-spatchcocked. All that means is that the backbone is removed and the chicken is laying flat, so it's going to cook nice and even. The smoke is going to hit it perfectly in all the right spots. So let's do the damn thing. I'm throwing this on the Traeger Ironwood 885. We're rolling 300 degrees the whole way, and I'm seasoning it with my rub Bird Gang, which will be back on our website really soon, don't you worry. And then we're gonna sauce it at the end with a mango pineapple hot sauce, which is out of this world. Shout out to Elijah's. They found me on TikTok and sent me the sauces, so I'm excited. But with that said, guys, comment below, hit that like and subscribe, and of course, hit that bell. Now let's do the damn thing. Alright, so the neighbors are weed whacking. I hope that's not coming in too clear. Let's take a look at this chicken. It's been a half hour. We're gonna spritz it, water only. Let's do the damn thing. Water spritz only. We're using Bird Gang for the seasoning. Alright, so since it's raining here in Philly, we are in my office and I'm going to walk you through what we're going to do next. We just spritz it at the half hour mark with water only. That's really all you need. You just want to keep it moist, you want to keep it tender. Let the chicken do what it does. You also want to be 300 degrees or higher, because chicken under 300, it tends to dry out. It is a lean meat. So in another half hour, we're gonna check it, and we should be around like 140 at that point. You don't want to really probe your chicken before that because it'll lose all its juices. This is a key tip here. So once we do reach about 140, 150, we are gonna glaze this with Elijah's handcrafted pineapple mango hot sauce. Come on, that just sounds amazing. So once we reach that point, we'll go and get a probe, guys, and we'll spritz it again. Then we're gonna hit it with some Elijah's. Let's do the damn thing. Hit that like and subscribe already. Alright, so we're at the hour mark. We're rolling at 300. This thing just probed at 135. We're gonna come back in 10 minutes and just start saucing this thing and take it to 163 internal in the breast. We're saucing it with Elijah's pineapple mango hot sauce. Gonna be fuego. Let's get it. Alright guys, we're gonna crank it to 335 once you reach 140, because that's when you want to throw this sauce on and take it to 163 in the breast. So let's get this sauce on, let's hit it with a glaze, let's take it to 163 because I'm hungry. The smell is just incredible. Okay, now you guys know exactly why I'm bringing you this spatchcock recipe. It cooks faster. I think it even tastes a little better because the smoke gets to more of the protein in the chicken. And as you can see, this thing is completely phenomenal. It's nice and juicy, nothing's overcooked, and it doesn't take 3, 4, 5 hours with a beer can chicken or something like a whole chicken on the smoker. This is like a 2-hour event max, and damn delicious. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that bell and I'll see you next time. Comment what you want to see next time below. The best damn barbecue ever. I'm out.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.